Hi guys, welcome to my channel Wheeler Giants. I am your host Parag, and today we are gonna discuss and review the studs downtown full face helmet. It's all about review. It's not unboxing. Okay, I have used it for more than 2 years now. Okay, so I'll be discussing its benefits and its features and advantages. So let's start. And before we proceed ahead, I would request everyone who is into riding two wheelers. So please use helmet. They really protect our head, our face. Okay, and if you use a car, you please always use the seat belts. It is for our safety. Thank you. Further moving on to features and benefits, I would share one experience of mine where I was indulged in an accident where my face hit the road. But at that time I was using this helmet, and it I didn't receive any major injury thanks to this helmet and this build quality from Studs. So I am really thankful to them. Okay, let's move ahead. Talking about this downtown full face helmet, it has got features like it has dual visors. One is this that you see on the upper, that is common in every helmet. Okay, this is a white visor. Another is its sunglass that is inside. You might call it a visor, which can be activated from here, pulling this up. So you see, once I have pulled up, this has come down, and this is kind of a sunglass. So if you are facing sun on your face or your eyes, you can use this, and you can use this alone, as well as you can use this in combination with the main visor. Moving on to the second feature. The second feature is that this is a replaceable bar, which this you can the chin guard you can basically replace. I'll show you the replaced one. It is basically these are the locks here. So these are the locks. You need to push it upwards to lock it and downwards to open it. So it is on the both sides. Okay, it is here also. So what I'll do is I'll push it down. Okay, and it is as you can see, push it down. I'll show you that how it comes off. Once you have opened the lock, you can pull it from this side and this side, and this chin guard will come off. Now these are air vents for ventilation, so the air can come and take out the heat. I'll show you how the from where the heat goes out also. Okay, now this is what you see, the chin guard from inside. Okay, so there is basically some kind of foam. Okay, it's not too thick, but yes, it's quite enough to protect any damages. Okay, and these are the logs that you see. They function this like this, as you see. Okay, so this was the chin, and this is how it looks. Basically, this is how it looks after this helmet looks after replacing the chin guard. Now since this sunglass is on, you press this small button up, and this lever comes down, and this goes up. So it's very easy. So another advantage and feature is this, that you pull this up, it is a quick release chin strap, and see how this comes off. So this comes off very fast, and it's very easy to remove the chin strap. So you can check that also. So now let's move ahead and see this how does it works, how it is from inside. As you can see, there are some patterns. They are basically for providing basically to ease the load on your head. Okay, and enough of cushioning is given there. They basically they use EPS foam, which is basically used in every helmet. Okay, EPS stands for expanded polystyrene. Okay, so they are very soft, and they are very light in weight, and they have high dynamic load bearing capacity. So if you have this if you get any impact, okay, they will absorb that energy, okay, into there. And they also are used to damp some noises, okay. They are EPS foam is also used in bumpers of the cars, if you would have ever seen. Now let's take a look over the design of this helmet. This looks really cool, okay. It gives very well cushioning to the head, okay. And I have used it. I have used it for 100 kilometers in one go, and I didn't feel any fatigue. Any fatigue, yes, okay. And these are some of the vents from for which the inner air comes out, okay. So these are the look, and this is basically the rear look. You can see the studs is written. There is ISI mark is there, okay. And I think if you are able to see, the mass is around 1250 grams. So, and studs official website is also there, okay. On the whole, I would say the features that you get in this helmet are good, okay. And another thing is that that this visor is quite means very stable. It doesn't comes it doesn't tremble, or it doesn't shivers. There are many, I have seen many helmets who on vibration or keeping it as this on this position, they keep shivering because of the vibration, but in this it doesn't happen. So thumbs up for that to studs. Overall build quality is very good. This is very sturdy, okay. And I would request, if you are going to buy a helmet, you must visit or you must see it once, okay. Now you also get these as spares from the dealer network, or the dealer, or the shop from where you buy it, okay. And I like this. Basically, I like the cushioning of this helmet. I like the visors and the sunglasses, okay. The chin, removable chin guard, okay. And basically, and the most important thing I like, that is the build quality, as this is very sturdy, okay. Okay, so I like this, and I like the color also. And this you see on the upper part of this helmet is this is also used for the ventilation purpose. So the heat goes like, so the air goes like this and comes out from here, okay. So they provide a good amount of heat ventilation too, okay. So that's why I like this. I like this very much, guys. So this is the review. This was the review of studs downtown full face helmet, and I am pretty okay with it. And I would on a scale of 5, I would rate it 5, because it has protected me, okay. And it has it gives a very good amount of cushioning, okay, a damping, okay. And sound noise cancellation is still there, okay. So I am very thankful to studs that they made this they make this good quality helmets, okay. And also, if you like this video, please hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel for more video and updates. Thank you.